Imagine this, you fall into a volcano. Sounds terrifying, right? But here's the surprising twist: if you were to land on the lava, you wouldn't sink. Lava is actually less dense than your body, which means you'd float on top. This phenomenon occurs because molten rock, or lava, is around 1,300 to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's also very viscous. The surface tension is strong enough to support your weight momentarily. However, don't get too comfortable. The extreme heat would quickly cause severe burns, and the gases released could be deadly. So, while you might float for a brief moment, the reality is that falling into a volcano is a one-way ticket to disaster.